I remember a couple of weeks ago, a bunch of you guys were in Los Angeles going to the Dodgers game. Did you guys go to that one too?
Yes.
What was that experience like also?
It's fun.
Yeah, it's great when you get invited to these things and get to go. People get to explain more of the game to you because I don't know.
You learn a bunch of swear words from the people
Yeah.
watching the game.
Yeah. You get to go with your cast, box people.
What does it mean to be the World Series right now?
It's just such an honor. I mean, to sing the national anthem, that particular song at this particular venue, I just can't say enough. Amber's gonna kill it though, so I'll just ride her coattails.
Where are you from, Amber?
I'm from San Francisco.
Okay, Giants?
Yeah,
Okay, they had a good year this year.
they did. They
They
did.
had a very
Not good enough.
Oh, you don't have to get all the way. It's not always about winning, but it's nice. But I say tonight, Yankees.
Yankees tonight. What does it mean to you to sing the national anthem here?
Oh my gosh, it's such an honor. We've been able to do such amazing things this year, and this is definitely one of the top highlights.